If your credit does not start with a 7, then you need to know about this company. In today's video, I'm gonna give you an updated review on KOVO, which is a company that offers a credit builder to help you with your credit. This is one of the few credit builders that report to all 3 credit bureaus and gives you access to your FICO score. So we're gonna go over everything that you need to know about their products, their application process, and whether or not it is worth it for you. So what is KOVO? KOVO is a credit builder platform that aims to help people improve their credit scores by providing educational resources. For $10 a month for 24 months, KOVO reports to 4 credit bureaus: TransUnion, Equifax, Experian, and Innovis. If you never heard of the last credit bureau, which I don't blame you for, it is one of those ones that are not commonly used, but it is a big source of personal data. A lot of credit builders out there that you see on the market, it is in the form of a secure loan, which means that you deposit a certain amount of money, let's say $1,000, and a company holds on to that money and structures a loan payment plan where you just pay it off. Once you complete the term, you will get that money back minus any fees or interest. So how does this credit builder work? So the way it works is a little bit more like a buy now, pay later product. If you ever shopped online, you might have seen companies like Affirm, Afterpay, or Klarna, where you can buy products and finance them over a certain amount of time. This is very similar to how KOVO works. Essentially, you are creating a $240 retail installment loan to get access to educational resources. From interview skills to self-confidence to entrepreneurship and stress management, KOVO courses provide tools and strategies to support personal and professional growth. Plus, they got courses on personal branding, Google Sheets, and programs, so there's a little bit of something for everyone. I'm just gonna be honest here, I know that people who are gonna be signing up for KOVO aren't necessarily gonna sign up for those courses or educational resources. The main intention for people to sign up is just to build credit. I honestly wouldn't be surprised if you sign up and don't do anything with the courses, but just let the credit builder do its thing. By doing it this way, you're creating an installment line of credit that gets reported to the credit bureaus. By paying on time, which is $10 a month for 2 years, this will create positive payment information. Now, the great thing about this product is that there's no credit check to get started. So if you're someone who has no credit or just in the process of rebuilding your credit, this could be a product that can help you do just that. I honestly think that this will be more important if you don't have an active installment loan already reported on your credit profile. This will make use of it way better and it will be more impactful in my opinion. Now, you probably know that there are 5 key factors that go into your credit score, which is payment history, amounts owed, length of credit, amount of new credit, and credit mix. Payment history plays the biggest role, taking up 35%, and this is what the installment line of credit is going to help you build. It will also add some diversity to your account, and as you keep the account older and older, this will add to your length of credit history. Now, with the $10 a month, that's all you would have to pay. There's no additional fees that are tacked on later or anything that's hidden that you would have to worry about. So how KOVO sets itself apart from other credit builders is that they do have a return policy. Within the first 30 days, if you are unsatisfied with an installment line of credit or your situation changes, you can email their support team and they can resolve this for you. Now, there are a few things to note. After the first 30 days, you are agreeing to a contract, which means that you're gonna be paying this loan for 2 years. But you can close your account early or pay it off much sooner, but I wouldn't really recommend this because it kind of defeats the purpose of the credit builder. Credit gets built over time, so closing out early really defeats the purpose. But again, it's really up to you if you wanna close out early. Another thing about payments is that if you do miss a payment, they do not charge any late fees and they will reach out to make sure that you're current within a 30-day time frame. However, if you're past 30 days due, then they are required to report this to the credit bureaus. So this is definitely something that you don't want to have happen because you signed up for a credit builder to help you with your credit. So if you don't think that you can afford $10 a month or your money is a little bit tight right now, then I would wait a little bit longer until you feel more comfortable signing up. So what I recommend is setting up autopay, where they can automatically withdraw from your checking account every single month so you wouldn't have to worry about it. Now, if you are serious about fixing, building, or leveraging your credit, you need to join the Credit Collective, which is our free school community. You will learn the exact framework that I use to boost clients' credit scores above 740 and secure over $100,000 in business funding. So by joining, you get a light version of my credit repair masterclass, business funding masterclass, intro to disputing hard inquiries, and monthly live Q&A calls with me. Plus, you're gonna get bonuses like my 800+ credit score blueprint and templates for hard inquiries, a basic dispute letter, and update your personal information. So join now by clicking the link down in the description or join up here free today and start transforming your credit. Now here are some additional features of KOVO. You can actually earn rewards with your account. So you will unlock this feature once you made 4 or more on-time payments. As you get better with your credit, KOVO, they know this, and they will start recommending loans and credit cards that fit your credit profile. If you sign up for any of their feature offers, you can earn reward. So for instance, rewards are calculated as 1% of the value of your personal loan, which can be up to a $500 gift card. For student loans, you can get up to a $250 gift card. For a student loan refinance, you also can get a $250 gift card. For an auto loan refinance, you can get up to a $150 gift card. and up to a $75 gift card for a credit card issued. So one thing to make note of is that you can earn each reward once per category. So another neat feature that you get to unlock is that once you made 4 on-time payments is access to Credit Boost. What Credit Boost is a $500 credit line that you can use with KOVO. Personally, I don't know how useful this can be since you only can use this credit line at KOVO. It's not like a traditional credit card where you can use it however you wish. But the great thing about this is that it will report as a revolving line of credit to your credit profile, which is very similar to a credit card. Revolving lines of credit are extremely helpful, especially if you have low utilization. So you're essentially killing 2 birds with 1 stone. So first you get an installment line of credit and then you get a revolving line of credit, and this reports to all 3 credit bureaus. So I really don't know if it gets any better than that. In addition, you also unlock identity fraud insurance policy with identity theft resolution services. I honestly don't think this is as useful, but it is nice to have if in case you need it. Now, knowing all of this info, let's talk about who should be signing up for KOVO. First are going to be people who have limited or no credit history. If you have a thin credit profile or no credit history at all, KOVO Credit can be a great starting point to begin establishing your credit history. It's a very simple platform to start building credit. People who are new to building credit typically don't have much diversity in the credit profile. So adding an installment line of credit and a revolving line of credit can be extremely powerful. Second are going to be individuals who are looking to rebuild credit. If you made some mistakes in the past, you can start rebuilding your credit by creating new positive habits that gets reported to the credit bureaus. Plus, the great thing about this is that there's no credit check and it's very easy to get approved. But one thing to make note of is that if you are currently rebuilding your credit, but currently have active installment lines of credit or revolving lines of credit, the benefits from this credit builder may be limited. So let's quickly go over the pros and cons. First, there's no credit check or hard pull. This means that anybody can sign up and start building their credit regardless of their current situation. Plus, with no hard pull, this won't drop your credit score like a traditional credit card or loan. Also, approval is instant, so you can start building your credit right away. Second is that there's no fees. Aside from the $10 monthly payment for 24 months, there are no other fees. There's no interest charges, late fees, or any other hidden fees to worry about. In addition, you can earn 1% on recommended offers on their platform, which is a nice way to lower KOVO's costs. Next is that it reports to all the major credit bureaus. This is one of the key reasons why I like KOVO. Most credit builders don't report to all 3, sometimes they report to 2, but this one reports to all the major ones. Next is that you get access to educational sources. Now, I know that not everybody will take advantage of this, but you do get something in exchange for that $10 a month. No matter who you are, I feel that everybody should be a lifelong learner. There might be some new skills or things that you can pick up inside of the KOVO platform. And the last pro is that there is a return policy. Technically, you are buying a service in exchange for $10 a month. If you don't like the platform or anything about it within the first 30 days, you have the right for a refund. So all you gotta do is just reach out to the support team. I think this is a nice added touch, but to be honest, you're really not gonna see any benefits of that credit builder in less than 30 days. Now, no platform is perfect, so let's address some of the cons. First is the limited loan amount. The loan is only $240, and once you made 4 on-time payments, you get access to $500 of a revolving line of credit. I know that these amounts seem small, but building credit takes time, and you're gonna be able to get access to other lines of credit that will offer you much more. Second is the limited use of funds. You are only limited to using the revolving line of credit on their platform. So this cannot be used like a traditional credit card. Third is that this is not a quick fix. Building credit takes time. With all credit builder accounts, you can see quick results, but it depends on the specific credit profile. If you have no credit or a thin credit profile, this can work extremely fast. But if you have a few things reporting already, this could take some more time before you see the benefits. So now that you know everything about KOVO and if it's right for you, I do have an affiliate link down in the description if you are looking to work on your credit. If you want to know other options that are available for you, I recommend checking out these videos over here.